Holy fucking
Oh,
water,
this
dude.
guy's trying to. Holy moly.
Wow, dude.
This is wow.
Lake Soldotna. I guess we do need our motorboats.
Shit.
What in the
That is
fuck?
crazy.
We need our boat.
I'm so glad I didn't do this. Holy shit.
Wow, look at that.
Man.
This is good shit. This happens once in a while.
Oh, man.
There's a lake back there.
Shit, shit.
There's a lake slow down.
Whoa.
Man.
Aren't you glad you gave me a...
Yeah. Oh, I'm not scared.
Me either. I'm just glad you're driving and not me. Fuck.
Lightning won't stop either. Oh shit. Brake lights. Man.
Man.